World famous fruit by world famous families. My name is Diane Parker, and I've been with Stemilt for 43 years. As you can imagine, I've seen it all through my jobs in sorting, where I started, production, quality control manager, and currently as the office manager and executive assistant to the president. You name it, I've done it. 36 years ago, I met my husband Andy, who also was working at Stemilt at that time, and we were set up on a date, and we've worked together ever since. My daughter Blake also worked for Stemilt for 6 summers in fall harvest as a lead in quality control. And my son Chris, her older brother, has also worked at Stemilt unloading trailers, pushing brooms up on Stemilt Hill, and doing quality control for pears and apples while going to college. My family together has 99 years of service at Stemilt. In all my years, I feel like the people I've worked with have had my back. I've been trusted and believe we all set out to do good work and to get the job done right first time and every time. Being in the fruit industry is very valuable. You learn it takes a village to grow apples, pears, cherries, and you can see how your hard work pays off. It's something that you learn from, and your family can too. I couldn't be prouder of my years here at Stemilt.